Hi, welcome back to Sudaama's Vedic Mathematics for Beginners, Straight Division, example number 4, part 2. Right, let's see what we've got to do now. Yeah, so last time around, let's just remind ourselves what we were doing. We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 divided by 3, 0, 1, 2, 1. We had an operator of 30 and a flag of 121. We concluded with a result of 40, remainder 29724. But we're not going to be using the remainder 29727. We're going to stop off at where step number, what was that say? 3. Right, so basically we carried over, we had one remainder 1, didn't we, from step 1, 2, 3, step 3, if you remember. And we carried over, we had 41, we had 1 remainder 0. The 0 we carried over to the 5, prepended to the 5. So what we're doing now, we had a gross dividend of 5, and we want to take away the flag digits 1, 2, 1 from the last 3 quotient digits with a 1, 4, 0, and that's what we're doing here. So this is basically what we've done before, except we've just got, instead of 2 flag digits, we've got 3 flag digits now. So it's 5 minus 9 minus 4, and then we're going to divide the minus 4 by 30. You can't do it, so you get 0 remainder bar 4 or minus 4. Prepend the minus 4 to the 6. Okay, so step 6 is minus 4 bar 4 6 take away, and then in parentheses you've got 1, 2, 1, and the latest 3 flag digits, which is 0, 1, 4. Okay, cross multiply those. Right, so got minus 40. This is minus 40 plus 6 is actually minus 34. And in parentheses we work out what all of that is. 0 plus 2 plus 4 comes to 6, doesn't it? So it's minus 34 minus 6 is minus 40. That's our net dividend. We then divide minus 40 by minus 30. That gives minus 1, remainder minus 10. So let's put that minus 1 under the 6 in the answer box, that is, and prepend the minus 10 to the 7 of the dividend. Right, probably squash that a little bit up here, yeah, squash that down a little bit. Now the next step, step 7, we want minus or bar 1, 0, which is the same as minus 100, and then there's a 7 next to that, minus, and then in parentheses we have 1, 2, 1, and the latest 3 flag digits, so bar 1, 0, and 1. Cross multiply all of those. What do you get? Let's see what we get. Minus 100 plus 7 is minus 93. Minus, and then working out all of that in the parentheses comes to minus 1 plus 0 plus 1. So the whole thing comes to minus 93, which we're then going to divide minus 93 by 30, the operator. And that gives minus 3, remainder minus 3. So let's put the minus 3 under the 7 of the dividend in the answer box, that is. Minus 3, and then we need to add some zeros to that 7, don't we? Because we're running out of figures to deal with. So add some zeros there. 3. Okay, so that minus 3 is prepended to a 0 there, and add some more zeros to that. Carry on forever if you want, if you've got that time. And does the little man need to move out of the way or not? Do we need, no, just move that over there, I can stay there. Can I? We'll see. Tell you what, just to be on the safe side. Can I hold that one? Any capture device. Let me move him out of the way. Let me move him over there a minute. Right. So what we did? Minus the gross dividends minus 30 minus flag digits 1, 2, 1, and the latest 3 quotient digits, which are bar 3, bar 1, and 0. Okay. So what's that all come to now? All comes to minus 25, which is our net dividend. Then minus 25 divided by 30. Can you do it? No, I don't think you can. So there's 0, remainder minus 25. I'll put that minus 25. Put the 0 in the answer box first. And the minus 25, you can pre-pen that to the 0 there. Minus 25. So our next gross dividend actually is minus 250. So minus 250 minus, open parentheses, flag digits 1, 2, 1, and with the last 3 quotient digits, 0, bar 3, bar 1, cross multiply, and that equals what? Minus 250 minus, and in parentheses we have, is that 0, that's a 6, minus 6 rather, minus 1. So the whole thing comes to minus 243. When divided by 30, we get minus 8, remainder minus 3. Let's put the minus 8 there, and put pre-pen the minus 3 to that 0 there. Okay, so what are we doing next? Squashing, rearranging a couple of things, move that around there. Let's stop there. You had enough? Yeah, okay, let's stop there, tidy up. See you in part 3. And he's as quick as that, he just went. So we'll see you in part 3 where we tidy up. Thanks for watching. See you in a moment.